I'm so excited today to be able to take you on a tour of our Vela Properties project in Byron Bay. Our builder, Don Cottrell from Sanctuary 28, is going to be walking us step by step through Lavana House. He'll show us where things are up to and how things are progressing on site.
G'day Mel, and welcome to Marvel Street. Even if it is virtually, you're in lockdown, we're still allowed to work up here in Byron Bay with a few other restrictions on us, but I'm glad you've been able to join us now, and we're going to have a bit of a look through of what we've been up to. We've got this house at cladding stage now. The roof is on. The James Hardie cladding, the Axon cladding is going around the outside of the building. We've got some Hardie wrap on insulating the walls. We're in the garage here now. We've got a little access way here in underneath the stairs. We've got a Lachlan door that's going to close this garage off from the rest of the house. It'll slide back over this pocket door. Bit of a hidden entrance there in underneath the stairs. Into the living dining area, we've got our kitchen island bar going in over here. We've got a bar that sneaks into that little nook over there, and we've got our walk-in pantry. One of the things of interest in this area here is the skylights, the Velux skylights that we're going to have in this area. It's at the moment we've got the roof on and we've got them covered over. We don't have the light coming down through here, but this is just going to drop so much light down onto this kitchen space. It's going to be such a spectacular thing. Normally you just get one little skylight, tube straight down. We've got a massive void here with about 5 or 6 skylights in this area here. Laundry off to the side. We've got another Lachlan cavity sliding door going in there just to close that off for us. Into the living area here, we've got a wall that's going to have cabinetry, fireplace. We've got the ASEA fireplace there ready to go in. That's one of the things the boys are going to be getting onto next, is installing that onto this wall here. It'll be a nice little detail there. We've got a bookshelf over onto this wall here. Around into this section here, we've got a powder room downstairs, toilet, vanity, servicing the downstairs area. And then we've got a nice little study nook, also concealed by another Lachlan door. We'll continue the tour. We wouldn't normally install stairs this early into the process. We've been able to do this because these aren't the finished product. We're using a custom timber floor, which is going to be overlaid later on in the process. So it's been pretty handy for me, for access-wise, to be able to get these stairs in so early, and we can walk over, make a mess of them, everything like that, because it's not the finished product. One of the features of the upstairs area here is the void and massive volume that's been able to be created by the raking ceiling. We've got another Velux skylight sitting over the centre of the stairwell there, which again will drop good light down into the stairwell. We've also got some great natural light coming in here. We've got a void section here that drops down over the entrance in the living area down below, which again will just push more light down into those spaces. So we're going to have a space that feels nice, light and bright and big due to the volume. Been able to pack a lot into some square metres here. We've got 4 bedrooms up top here, the minor bedrooms down on this end here. Servicing those minor bedrooms is this bathroom here. We've got our window going in here. We've got the Apasia freestanding bath in here, Abbey bath filler over on that side here, vanity shaving cabinet here. These are supplied by Lachlan Furniture, and they really are pieces of furniture. Further on into the building process, when you see these go in, you'll know what I mean by that. We're going to remove the studs out of this area here, and we're going to recess that Lachlan shaving cabinet back inside the wall there. Little niche wall here, separating our toilet from our shower. Quite a compact, good use of space. Mel, one of the things that you're famous for is your bunk beds, and this has had a few of my subbies stumped as to why we would be putting a structural beam right through the middle of a bedroom at this height. But as you know, this is the structural part of the bunk bed. We're going to sheet all of the walls now. We'll run some battening trim around the walls. We'll put some flooring inside here. We'll have a ladder in the centre, and that leads up onto your bunk bed. And this is pretty funky use of the space. The kids are going to love this bedroom. It's going to be a whole lot of fun. Into the main bedroom again. Again, we've got the feature of the volume inside this room, the way the ceiling goes up to be quite high. And we've got large stacking sliding doors allowing a lot of light into this area here. Juliet balcony will go up on the outside of that, so there's no balcony you can actually walk out onto there, but you're going to get the effect and the flow of the breeze by having a big stacking sliding door there. Outside onto the front balcony, overlooking out onto the street. We've got a wardrobe going in, cabinetry wise being built in on this wall here. It'll continue through and turn around the corner. So it starts off as a wardrobe, turns into a walk-in wardrobe, and then that leads into the ensuite. Again, the shaving cabinet recessed into the wall, the Lachlan vanity, a walk-through shower into that area there, walk-through double shower. So Mel, that's house 3 at this stage where we've gotten ourselves up to. Look forward to when you can come and join us back on site again.